Hello, this is the story about little eggs, baby birds. Oh, nee, sorry. Little birds flying by looking for a tree. Time to build a cozy nest and start a family. Father brings some sticks and twigs and finds a place that's steady. Mother starts to build the nest and soon it will be ready. Look at the beautiful tree all around like that. Mother lays 3 speckled eggs, then lays another 3. Both settle down to warm them in the branches of the tree. Days go by until they see some little cracks appear. Six baby birds are hatching out. A brand new spring is here. There's the whole picture of the whole tree. Sorry. There you see all the little blossoms on the tree. And there are the new chicks. Okay, now you must say to Mommy and Daddy how we say 2 little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Or you can sing, 2 little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. And that's the end of our story. See you tomorrow. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. And if they do, catch a few and make a lekker gogo stew.